Hey everybody, my name is Miss Tara and I will be your teacher for listening and speaking. I am so excited to have you all this semester. We have two classes of listening and speaking this semester. Some of you are going to be on the Stanton campus and some of you are online at night. So there's some information here that is for each of those groups. So if we go to our D2L page and we click on start here, the first thing you'll see is this video. After that, you'll have my information. So I have my my email address, my text number. I will always answer emails quickly and text quickly, so feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Then we have our calendar here. So let's take a look at this together. When we look at the calendar, we can see we have our weeks and then what unit in our book that we're going to be in, and then the homework for that week. If we go down to and we have all the test dates, presentation dates on this calendar. If we go to the bottom, we can see how we're going to be graded in this class. So we have 3 listening tests, one for each unit. We have some speaking assignments. So we're gonna have 3 speaking videos and then a final interview at the end. And then we have 3 presentations. And then you will also have 2 quizzes and some online homework activities. So that's the grading for the class. It's listening and speaking. So you have to pass the listening part and the speaking part to pass the class. So if we go back to our start here section, we have the textbook information. So the book is Summit 2, and you need the online access code. So make sure you get that as soon as possible. I will tell you a little bit more in class information about how to set up the online, all the online activities. And there's a video about that too. So class information just has some more things about the class. You can read that on your own. The Zoom link if you are in our Zoom section. And then this lockdown browser student guide is also if you are in our Zoom section. And then Stanton map if you are in our Stanton section. Okay, so each week we have some materials and then our assignments. So we can see the dates for our first week. It's August 22nd and August 24th. If you're in the Zoom section, make sure you have the Zoom link at the top. We have each week the pages that we're going to cover and then anything else. So again, if you're in the online class, you want to look through the lockdown browser guide. And then we have our activities, like our listening activities. And if you're in the online class, you will have this practice lockdown browser quiz. So we have that for every week. We have the dates for all the week. At the bottom here, we have presentation information. So you can read a little bit more about presentation 1, presentation 2, presentation 3. We will talk about them more as they get close. And then we also have audio files for each unit. So if you want to listen to anything from the textbook at home, there's audio files here, and it's divided into chapters within the units. And then if you're in our Zoom section, the recordings for Zoom will be here. So that's just really quick information. We'll talk about everything in class. You can always email me if you have questions. And I look forward to meeting you all on Monday, August 22nd. Bye.